Friends, our today's experiment is to trace a ray of light through a glass prism. For doing this experiment, we have some requirements: drawing board, drawing pin, alpine, glass prism, protractor, scale, white sheet. For doing this experiment, first we put the white sheet over the drawing board and fix the white sheet at its four corners by the use of drawing pin. I am going to demonstrate the glass prism, how it looks. This is your glass prism. It has two triangular faces. It has two triangular faces and three rectangular faces. You have to put this glass prism on the white sheet in such a way that triangular face will be on the white sheet and rectangular face will be in front of you. Okay, so now we will start the experiment. First we put the glass prism on the white sheet and took the outline A, B, C of this glass prism and draw a line PQ and fix two pins K and L vertically. Now see these two pins K and L through this side into the prism. When these two are in a straight line, then fix the third pin M and N in such a way that K, L, M, N all looks in a straight line in the prism, and the pin N will cover all the three pins K, L, M. If this situation you are getting, then replace the prism from the board and join the RS line through MN and QR line, which is your refracted ray, join QR and draw perpendicular at the face AC at Q and a perpendicular at face BC at point R. Now you extend the PQ up to T and you extend the line RS up to D point, which is on PT. This is your angle of deviation. Angle TDR is your angle of deviation, and this angle I is your angle of incidence, and this angle I2 is your angle of emergence, and PQ is your incident ray, and RS is your emergent ray. Okay, angle I will be equal to angle I2, means angle of incident is equal to angle of emergence. When light is traveling in a straight line, if there will be no glass prism, then light will go straight in PT direction. But we have put the glass prism in the path of this ray, light suffered a deviation like this. So this is known as angle of deviation. Under the prism, because light is going from a rarer to denser medium, outside is air and inside is glass, so refracted ray bends towards the perpendicular. Here angle of refraction is R1, it bends towards the perpendicular, and light after suffering the refraction, it goes away from the perpendicular, because this is your rarer medium. Here light is coming from denser to rarer medium, so it is away from the perpendicular. In this way, we have traced the path of light by the use of prism.